Hi, my name is Brian and I'm one of the instructors at the Computer Workshop. Today's tutorial is going to be about showing report filter pages in a pivot table. As you can see, this workbook currently only has a pivot table sheet and a source data, which is my sales data fix, and my pivot table. These are the only two sheets that I currently have in my workbook. With this pivot table, I have taken a field, in this case customer name, and moved it into the filters list or filter area. I am now able to modify this entire pivot table to see how each individual customer has been purchasing product from us. Now, what I would actually like to see is each and every one of these individuals have their own spreadsheet as a fully functional pivot table. So the first thing I want to do is I want to set up my pivot table and get it structured so that the information that I need is showing in the way that I want. Once I have that, I can then go to the Pivot Table Tools, to the Analyze tab in my ribbon, and in the very first group of options here is a button called Options. Now I don't want to click the button itself. I'm really going to just work to get the drop down arrow. And you can see here is the Show Report Filter Pages option. Now I'm going to just simply click on this. If I had multiple fields listed in that filter area, I would choose which one I want to use. In this case, I only have the customer name. This is the only one that I want to use, so I'm simply going to click OK. And now, in a moment's time, I have an individual spreadsheet named for each and every single customer, configured in the way that I set up before doing this. Now, if I have a whole slew of spreadsheets and I want to jump around efficiently, I want to use the little back and forth arrows, but I don't want to click the arrow. I would rather right click on the arrow, and then I get a full list of every spreadsheet in this file, and I can pick which one I want to see, click OK, and I'm going to jump directly there. If you liked this tutorial and learned something from it, please go ahead and subscribe. My colleagues and I at the Computer Workshop are going to be producing videos every week, so please tune in because you never know what you may see next. Thank you.